Why do we have the old rusty cart from purchased in Walmart in the 90s? Still doing okay. Why do I have it? Slight problem. I think this tire's had a slow leak, and I might have brushed against a log and popped the air out of it because it kind of suddenly went down. So we'll take a look at this and see what we have. So I brought some sockets, the real deal, half-inch breaker bar sockets that I inherited from my dad from the gas station. So let's see what we can do here, huh? Let's do that. There we go. Alright. Figure out what size we got. Too loose. Tight enough. And the thing is, when it comes to removing sockets, is to make sure that you don't have too much of an angle between the socket and your handle, because if you do, you're not going to get enough force. So if this is like this, that's no good, but if it's more like this, then you can really loosen things up nicely. This is not too bad. The other side, the tire is on the ground. I have a log under here for safety, so hopefully we're doing the right things here. It's not too bad. Okay. See if I can't just fill it up. If not, off to the dealer it goes, I guess. Okay, that's good. So, this is a 1023E. These bolts to keep the wheel on and on the hub instead of nuts on studs. Why? I don't know. That's what they do. Most cars, you have nuts on studs. Put those on the seat. Everything else looks pretty good here. Nice thing about having a backhoe is I've got the put the landing gear down. All right. The other side looks okay. I don't think it lost the bead at all. So let's see what we can do here. Do a visual inspection real quick. See if there's anything obvious. And I don't think I see any major gashes, but these tires are not new, that's for sure. Or they were new when I bought the tractor, but probably almost 6 years old at this point, so we'll see what happens. All right, let's get this stuff out of the dirt. And this isn't the heaviest tire in the world, but you know, I make extra work for myself. I'll just put it on the cart, call it a day. So we'll drag this puppy back and try and put some air in it. All right, let's get the air pump out. Of course, I've got the electric slime pump. We'll see how good this is. Works well in the cars. Maybe it's got enough room, maybe it doesn't. But it's a pump I have, and I can plug it into the electrical cord. For reference, this is my dad's old shop light from when he had his gas station. So, a little bit of old school stuff around here. This is not that old. I mean, when I say my dad's shop, my dad retired in 1989, so. Alright. Let's try and throw some air in this. See what happens. If we're lucky, So I pulled some bark out from, by the way, from in the bead here. If this has a tube in it, it should be surprising. Some of the tires have a tube, some don't. This might not have a tube. I might be just trying to pump up a straight tire on the wheel. And if this works, great. If it doesn't, time for a tube. It can go to 20 pounds. It's filling, so we'll see. Well, I found the culprit. Where'd it go? This right here. That is the hole. So this is a bad leak. The tire's done. Maybe I can put a tube in it. Oh well.